is allowing us to be a little bit more active in that measure. And you can see that measure has just happened right there. So a nice little opportunity to book a little bit more profits. Now that's obviously a more aggressive exit, and the reason why you'd use that is because you're maybe seeing a little bit of value working back against the narrative, or you're starting to look at it from you're looking at it from, for example, the euro dollar, and you're looking at it as to whether that euro dollar is a buy trade that's starting to evolve at lower prices. For example, the carry trade has been getting back into a bullish feeling at the moment, and as a result, that buy in the euro dollar is starting to become something that people are paying attention to on the forex desks. So based on that possible euro dollar buy, you know it's going to be more difficult to get that trade through because everybody trading oil knows about that buy on the euro dollar. So that's something that we just make sure we book some money. We don't have to close our position. It's not good enough to buy it, that's for sure. But we certainly take some profits a little bit earlier than we ordinarily would. Now, in terms of supply demand, there is no question about what's going on here. We should be trading realistically down at the 95s here, and that's where we're expecting to be heading over the course of the early session here. So if we can get that session through, if we can get into this balance area, I think we can count ourselves very, very lucky to have a completed sequence of sell-side trades. It's been almost exclusively sell-side today. Congratulations to all the oil traders. I like it. I like the quality of that. Look at that, guys. Look at those sells. What? Seriously? That's brilliant, isn't it? That's absolutely glorious. Sell-side only. And my goodness, we've absolutely killed it. But look at all the number of trades we've taken. Hundreds. All right. Quite hundreds, but you get the basic idea. A pretty good sequence of short trades, making money, being consistent, just being active, making sure we don't miss out on the trade, and just getting in the big kill when it happens, getting a piece of the action when it happens. When the firefight starts, we are involved, we're suited, we're booted, we're ready to kick some ass, and we don't want to be sitting on the sidelines like some wimpoid. Got it? Got it! And sure enough, as if by magic, our aggressive target has caused a buy-side bounce, and that's exactly what we thought was going to happen, and therefore, again, we were correct. Now, obviously, that cap buyer turns into a pending seller in here, and that's something we should be aware of. That becomes a pending seller, and that's something we now have on our screens. Pretty good? What do you think? Did we absolutely nail this one, guys? Yes. Did this level at 15s to 30s give you everything you ever wanted and a little bit more? Damn tootin' right it did. Damn tootin' right it did, guys. It gave us a good half a dozen trade entries. The arrows that I haven't got on the screens was a sell trade here and a sell trade here. They were all sellable opportunities. I wasn't willing to wait. I wasn't willing to wait because I didn't think we were going to get much in it. And then when the data comes out, when the volatility expansion happens, it can always go in the wrong direction. But on this occasion, the sell was obvious and the money was obvious. Sell was obvious and the money was obvious. Sensational. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, and a little bit of beautiful. Interesting on the bond markets. Just the net valuation on these bonds is giving me a few questions about whether this market has much more downside at 157 here at the moment. So I am going to book some of my short profits on this trade at the moment, guys. Taking some of my profits. Taking some of my profits!